You start it.
Okay. Hi, Chloe. Hi, you want to be in the video? Okay. You can be in it. I just wanted to do a quick little update on what's been going on behind the scenes because we kind of just stopped working on the panel wall because we ran into some issues on the panel wall with the hardware, and we thought we found a solution, and that wasn't going to work because we didn't have the depth. So we just kind of stopped working on that. And you've been doing a lot of work on your own with the electrical stuff, prepping it.
Yep.
But in the meantime, this came in. So this is just a vanity, and we went with purchasing a vanity for the back bar because it was the right depth. We wanted something a little bit more shallow so it didn't stick out as far. So I think, was it
21.5 inches deep.
Instead of 24, which would be standard cabinet. And it came with hardware. So we're kind of just doing like this gold color. And the sink, this isn't the sink, but this is like the tray that goes in the sink is going to be this color too. And then we've got these to go on either side, which, oh, I'm scared to like hold this. We got to figure out the height, but I really like the fixture. So yeah, we're thinking butcher block countertops that will waterfall down on the side. All right.
Yep.
And then,
I want a stone backsplash.
yeah, I was going to say, we're not really in agreement about the stone backsplash. Or didn't you say brick?
Yeah, it's brick.
Brick or stone?
Brick.
Okay.
Brick.
Okay.
I don't know what color yet, but brick. Yeah, electrical. We got 3 new home runs, and what that means is the lines going back to the electrical panel. There's a home run for this wet bar, which is a 20 amp circuit because we might have blenders or something on the counter. 20 amp circuit for the bathroom, which is over there. I don't know if they can see me on camera.
Probably not.
If I stand here, they can.
Yeah.
And then over here, we have the wall and the fitness, which we'll get a shot of that. You can see that, but that's a 14 amp circuit for that area by itself. I had to learn some pipe bending, so my first bends weren't the greatest. The reason I had to bend pipe is because where the wires running, it's 1.5 inches deep. In order to meet code, that has to be protected from any type of screw. So you don't drill through, put a screw through the wire itself, and it prevents from fires because you won't know if it's in there, and it could arc. It's been a journey learning electrical, but I enjoy it. I enjoy it a lot.
Next steps are getting permits.
We'll move these.
Finish the electrical.
Wired in. We have to move 3 circuits from our panel in the basement to the panel in the garage. Scheduling our HVAC, start some plumbing, inspection time, and we can drywall. But we'll finish this main area here first before we tackle anything in the bathroom. Just because this is what's visible, it's a lot.
Yeah.
Eventually finishing those hidden door things. So
Yeah.
someday.
I think we both were just heartbroken that it didn't work the way we thought it was going to work, and then
Brain hit a wall,
Yeah.
and I don't know what to do quite yet.
yeah. Everything that I saw that used the hardware that we had on it, like
Okay.
it didn't open fully. Like it didn't open 90 degrees, so that might just be as good as we can get.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll take another stab at it, and then
Yeah. But if you have any suggestions,
Yeah.
let us know. Or if you know anyone in the Madison area who does HVAC or plumbing that wants like a side job, let us know.
We'll pay in beer. Let's get
You'll-
it.
And also on a personal level, Braley just retired from the military and has a month left of work. So that's another reason I'm not like on your butt to keep going with stuff, because it's like, okay, you're going to have plenty of time in a month to like really get cracking on more projects and stuff. And
I'll have plenty
I'll
of
have
time.
more help. And
But between work now and editing for my own channel,
it's a lot.
that's a lot.
In Wisconsin, the weather has been like really back and forth. So like you've been out on your motorcycle a couple times already, and then will snow, and then it's
Yeah, it's 55 on a weekend. So I did a bunch of parts installation, and I had to go take it for a ride to test it. And then, so 2 days later, it was in the 20s.
So anyway, you'll be wanting to shoot a lot more motorcycle stuff
I'll have more time.
After this next spell of cold.
Yeah.
You'll be out on the bike and
Bikes,
doing more motorcycle stuff.
It's a good week. Bikes in the shop,
Leather jackets in the shop.
leather jackets in the shop. Bought a new
That was
leather
her
jacket.
retirement gift from your business to yourself.
Yeah.
It's a write-off.
The jacket I bought was good in the shoulders, but around here it was a little big. Like I told the teller, I felt like a bell. Ding, 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 ding. Right? So that's what it felt like. When it's done, it'll fit nice. The wind won't go up my back anymore. So I took the bike in yesterday, and it was cold. I don't have a trailer, or we don't have a trailer, we don't have a truck, so I had to ride it. It was like 40 degrees and windy. That's it for now.
Chloe says we're taking too long, so we're gonna wrap this up. Thanks for watching and participating in our fun journey, and yeah, we'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. You can leave that in.
This is the end of the day on a Friday, so we're just both.
You can leave that in too if you really want.
Introducing the world's tiniest, tiniest, tiniest little crowbar. It's so cute. And we'll try this out. got her. Hello. So we've been doing a little bit of work on our basement, and I came down here and my wife was working down here and it was just freezing. And so I came over by the outlets and I noticed that they were a little breezy. I did a quick string test to kind of show you how much air is coming through, and you can see it just blowing away. I just want to take care of this issue. This is an easy fix. So my dad told me about this product called a putty backer or something. And so basically that goes around the entire back of the electrical box. So that's the right way to do it. But we're gonna kind of do an aftermarket thing, and because we can't get behind the electrical box anymore, what we're gonna use is this outlet sealer. So these are just little pieces of foam. They fold out like this, and then you punch out the little outlet pieces. You just tear them apart. And so this one pack for $5 will get all 4 outlets along this exterior wall. All right, so I've got my silicone caulk, and this stuff is like the maximum amount of flexibility. So if the walls move and things like that, this caulk is not going to separate. It'll just kind of stretch and kind of flex with, you know, the wall movement and things like that. So hopefully this lasts a long time, and it is not paintable. So I'm gonna do a good job taping around and just making sure that I'm only getting it in the areas that are gonna be covered by the outlet cover. There we go. So I just want to get this right on the edge where there's air flowing through from outside the box. You don't want to ever put anything inside the electrical box, but just around the edges. I'm just gonna punch out all the holes. And we've got 3 more to go.